Hey everyone, meteorologist David Paul here, approaching 3 o'clock on Sunday, the 6th day of April, tracking showers and thunderstorms coming on through parts of the Wiregrass. Let's go over to the radar to begin here. A look at the Fort Novacel radar as we go through the afternoon hours, looking at some showers scattered in the Wiregrass. Not seeing much in the way of lightning yet, but there are some pockets of red showing up here and there, indicating some heavier downpours. Dry in Dothan as of the 2 o'clock hour overall. As we approach 3 o'clock, maybe some showers will come in, but the heaviest rainfall in the short term is right around Enterprise. Some heavy rainfall right on through the city as of 2:46. You see that red showing up there, kind of encompassing downtown and surrounding areas. On the right here is a look at the velocity, the storm relative velocity, and I'm not seeing any indication of any rotation with any of these cells. Now, there is a tornado watch in effect for all of southeast Alabama until 6 p.m. Central Time. That said, the focus for severe weather has been well to the north and northeast of us. No severe weather in the Wiregrass. Maybe some stronger storms mixed in here as we go through the afternoon, but the overall severe threat is on the low side. Northward, let me switch over here to the Maxwell Air Force Base radar. That's a look at some really intense rainfall that's come on through parts of Alabama, now moving into Georgia. You have a couple mesoscale convective vortices showing up. There's one right here producing some heavy rainfall and some spin in the atmosphere. Another one right in through this area that is producing some gusty winds coming out through parts of Georgia and Alabama around Columbus and Phoenix City as of 2:48. These red boxes are severe thunderstorm warnings, and we've seen a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings with this line as it moves off to the east, but that is well to the north of the Wiregrass. Southward here, looking at some showers into parts of Barber County and then southward into the Panhandle, but again, no severe weather in effect for warnings in effect for the Wiregrass as we approach the 3 o'clock hour. Some showers out there, Dale County, Barber County, Pike County, Coffee County, Geneva County, Holmes County, and Walton County as well. Let me go back to the west. This is what I'm watching for later today and for the overnight. There is now a tornado warning in effect for this cell. This is a tornado warning here showing up in purple. That goes until 3 o'clock for northeastern Jackson County in southern Mississippi. A tornado possibility, and that's in association with this pocket of rotation that we see right here as of 2:48:54. So basically as of 2:49. I'll back this up just a couple frames here and then take you forward, and you can kind of tell that pocket of rotation is passing between Big Point and Hurley there. That is in Alabama, not too far away. Actually, that's in Mississippi, not too far away from Alabama. That will cross into Alabama. So an area of rotation. Let's go to the 4 panel and check it out. So I'm going to change this here to, actually this one up here, I'm going to make this base velocity. So we have a few different radar views here. So base velocity up here, there's Hurley, there's that pocket of rotation, storm relative, and a debris signature showing up. Check that out. So a Doppler radar confirmed tornado just south of Hurley as of 2:49 p.m. This cell is tracking its way to the northeast and is doing some damage along the way, indicative of that debris signature showing up there. So very potent area of rotation. Storm relative shows that very strong area of spin right here in the atmosphere. So we're watching that. Mississippi moving into Alabama. This is all in association with a cold front, ahead of a cold front, a line of showers and storms, and this is the line right in through here that will be coming into the Wiregrass as we go through the overnight. By 10 p.m. or so, could be somewhere in here by say 3, 4 o'clock in the area, in the morning, somewhere in this area. There will be weakening of the instability as we go through the overnight. So the primary severe threat will be west and north of the Wiregrass Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. As we go through Sunday night, as that line moves on into our area, don't completely rule out some gusty winds and the chance for an isolated tornado, but the energy levels in the atmosphere will be coming down as we go through the overnight. That will lower that severe threat. But be weather aware. Even with a lower threat, you have to make sure you know what is happening out there. Make sure you have a way to get those weather warnings. We'll keep producing updates here as needed through the afternoon and the evening hours, but the primary thing for you to do is just kind of be weather aware. track any warnings that come into your area, and we'll keep watching this. Again, not a great chance for severe weather overnight, but certainly the chance for some gusty winds, maybe some more pockets of rotation as we go through Sunday evening and for Sunday night. Warm and humid today, but be ready. Some much cooler air comes in as we go through Monday. Some light showers, temperatures falling into the 60s, and then clearing out for Tuesday morning with low temperatures generally in the middle 40s. That's it for now. We'll have more updates as needed as we track the showers and storms approaching the Wiregrass here late Sunday and into Sunday night. Have a good one.